Good day, my dear students. Welcome to week 7 of our LeaP. I am your teacher for this video lesson, Ma'am Arlene Matawaran. Week 7 focuses on heat transfer, particularly the conditions necessary for heat transfer to occur. Let us start by analyzing the picture. What will you feel if you touch the surface of the kettle? What is the temperature of the kettle and the water inside it? How did heat transfer from the fire to the kettle? Kettle to the water, and then kettle to hands. All objects possess energy, which exists in different forms. May explain natin ito dahil madalas na ikinaklasify natin ang mga objects as cool or warm. We also use our sense of touch kung mainit o malamig, or with the use of a thermometer. This process is known as heat transfer. Let us study and understand the following terms. First is thermal energy. It is a stored energy in an object that depends on the motion of the particles or atoms, just like in the picture. When the particles move fast, thermal energy increases. When the particles move slow, thermal energy decreases. Next is heat. It is the transfer of thermal energy from a body with higher temperature to a body with lower temperature, or also known as high to low. And then, heat transfer. It is a transfer of heat to different medium. Next is temperature. It measures the amount of thermal energy or the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. And then we also have joule, the unit of measurement of heat. Now, balikan natin at explain ang nangyayaring heat transfer sa kettle. First, fire possesses thermal energy. As fire touches the kettle, its energy makes the atom inside the kettle move faster, causing it to increase its thermal energy. Then, the temperature of the kettle increases from cold to hot. This transfer of energy is called heat, and then it is called heat transfer. When thermal energy is transferred, the warmer object cools down and then the cooler object warms up until both objects attains the same temperature. Then heat transfer stops. Now, the process of heat transfer can happen in three ways. First is conduction. It is between objects, usually solid, that are directly in contact. Example, tandaan lang natin na need na may direct contact ang heat source sa solid objects. Next is convection. It is a heat transfer through fluids, particularly liquid and gases, like water and air. Now, look at the example of convection. Then we also have radiation. It is the heat transfer by electromagnetic waves through space. It does not require the interaction between matter. In short, hindi need na mag-touch ang heat source at object for radiation to occur. What are the examples? Now that we understand the conditions necessary for heat transfer to occur, meron bang sitwasyon na makikita natin ang tatlong process? Yes, let's find out. First is burning of logs. The movement of liquids or gas shows convection, while transfer of heat by direct contact is conduction. And then the photons from fire is radiation. Same with boiling of water. Heat transfer to water is convection. Hot handle of the pot is conduction. And the heat that can be felt from the heat source is an example of radiation. For our references, this is the end of my video. I hope may natutunan kayo about heat transfer. For sure sa inyong mga tahanan ay ma-identify nyo ang iba pang halimbawa ng heat transfer. At the same time, masasagutan nyo na ang mga learning tasks with the help of this video lesson. Thank you for watching and have a good day!